are officially live. I get to stream this Friday. Anyways, what are we looking at here? What do we got? Test, mic test? All right, mic is working. So, what do we got? I actually traded the numbers. So I made like $3,000 from here. I'll show you guys later if you want. But right now we are just selling. Selling. Anyways, is the market going to recover? Are we going to get a market recovery and shoot back up to go recover that move out there? I'm going to see if I can take a buy order here. See if we can just get a fill in here. And we go attack the highs again. Playing off. See if we get this double bottom here. And I did not get filled. Glorious. So that would have hit if I would have gotten filled. Don't be a dick from tick, but oh boy. That sucks. That's alright. Question is just, are we going to be able to get a fill? I know that sometimes whenever the market makes a big move, pre-market numbers, market typically goes and covers it. Well, at least a little bit of it, the move, but looks like it's not happening right now. Market is not being too friendly here. So see if we can get this. I keep missing this. But it's alright. See how the market reacts to this bottom down here. ES is kind of showing some weakness. Maybe we'll start getting a bullish move back up. Let's see where our pivot points are. Alright, so no pivot points to the bottom side. We do have a pivot point up here at 159, which is basically where the EMA is at. So just kind of keeping a visual on that. 20, gosh, is that really 120? That's crazy. Alright, make a move back up. Let's see if we can get this bull trend to continue back on and fill this space from the numbers. Might take a bit, it doesn't have to happen right away, but that's the game plan for right now. Kind of just keeping an eye on the bottom, see where it wants to go. Had I gotten filled, would have given me my profit. I think we do have Michigan numbers as well at 9. No, yeah. Ooh, what a sell. What a rejection. Let's be So today, we had the non-farm payrolls at the pre-market. 9 o'clock, we have Michigan numbers, and then that should do something. Always stay hydrated too, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, that's crazy. Sorry about that, guys. The roommate came in, and I was like, at the time that I was streaming. Well, there's my roommate. Anyways, looks like we're getting a little bit move up. Kind of slow this morning. I'm not getting too much action. That being said, I'm gonna keep my eyes off of it. Not getting what a wonky way to move this morning. Market's trying to wake back up from morning Jimmy Carter. R.I.P. to the man. R.I.P. to the man. Whoa! I say that, look away, and look at this. The market just tanks. It's almost as if the market wants to listen whenever I'm not paying attention. What are we looking at here? ESS made new lows on the day. Oh, I know it has not. The mic is in the way. So ES has not made lows in the day yet, but it's starting to go down there. ES is tanking to, Nasdaq is tanking, and we're making new lows. New lows of the day. Be careful, guys. Is this just going to be a short day? Nothing but short? We're just going to trend downwards? It's going to daily chart. If we do break 21,000, we got basically 20,700, 300 points to the downside. Could be very doable. Going over here too, so that's great. So we break the lows and we bounce up. Interesting turn of events. And we're back to chopping. And we're moving back up. Nice. Yeah, we're getting some decent movement though. That's impressive. Doesn't seem like the market is wanting to recover this move. We did a little bit of it pre-market, but right now ES is still attacking the lows. Nasdaq should follow suit here, unless it just wants to bounce. Something like this. But let's not be early to the party. Just sit in my hands. Yeah, we're chopping at the bottom here. I don't like that the market didn't break through here with authority. I think if we were gonna go like set some new lows, I mean, would have loved it to pull a little bit further, maybe get down to even 80s with one candle and then form that consolidation, that kind of bear flag. But this right here is not really what I'm looking for. I'm still kind of leaning towards the bullish side just because we did have the numbers here that sold down. And what I've typically seen, this is not financial advice. Very quick disclaimer, do not follow any of my trades. This stream is not for financial advice, it's just for entertainment and educational purposes only. Moving on, I don't really feel too bearish just because, like I said, with the numbers, so the market might want to, it might just be faking a move to the downside and then come out to recover it. Now that doesn't have to happen, right? That's just my opinion, my speculation. So I mean, it could just, we could just flatline or just freaking sell down for the rest of the day. So ES is approaching lows again of the day. Not really getting too much, so I want to see if we can get, actually I'm gonna wait. I just want to fake out and get in then, but I'm going to kind of distract myself and not try to make a dumb move. ES made new lows. Is Nasdaq gonna follow suit? Or is it just gonna chop here and then run it back up? We have 7 minutes until Michigan numbers come out. Typically doesn't move the market much, but there have been a couple of times in the past where it has a little bit. So I wonder if the market's waiting for those numbers to come out to react. So right now the bears are in control, just with the overall trend and the short time trend. But it made new lows, but it's not really breaking it with authority. So I'm not too keen on being bearish yet. I still have a bullish bias. The market is not moving, not that great. There's nothing like, what is this? Come on, market, do something. It's creeping down slowly, but it's such a slow sell. Alright, I think ES is I have ES on my second screen and it's going down. Maybe they want to get 21,000. Where do we bounce off? Yeah, I mean, there's nothing. We're just so ever slowly creeping down. There we go. I mean, I don't really care what happens. I just don't want the market to chop. It's the hardest time to trade. Because typically you get chopped up a little bit before you realize that, hey, it's a choppy day. Again, checking out that bottom. Michigan numbers coming out here in 4 minutes. The 1 minute chart. What is this crap? What is this? I mean, 30 points, you know? In between 30 points, that's not bad, but jeez. Something's gonna happen, and I think something big is gonna happen if... There we go, a little bit. Somebody injected a steroid shot into it. I'm trying to be as patient as possible. The way we're moving now. This is ridiculous. But as you can tell from my performance center, following my mouse, I have not taken a trade yet. I'm impressed with myself. Oh, there we go. All right. Finally, something. Kind of starting to ramp up a little bit. We have Michigan numbers coming out in 2 minutes. It's only 2-star news, so let's see how that's going to impact the market. Is it going to have enough strength to rally to the upside to fill this pre-market move? I mean, there's no pivot point to the bottom side too, so if we do flush, I mean, if today's going to be a bearish day, it's going to be a one nasty day. But right now, not really convincing yet. All right, Michigan numbers in 5 seconds by the time you're hearing this. There we go. There we go. Numbers are out. Finally, we're getting something. Oh, finally getting some movement. Goodness. Making new lows, attacking it. Gonna play, see if we can get this bounce. I think I might have missed it. See if she wants to fill us in. I'm not looking to get too much. Alright, straight stop tell. So down 400 is a pretty bad trade. I mean, let me scroll up, guys. It's not doing what I want. No, I just feel like we're gonna get this bounce. Trying to freaking log in. Alright, I don't know what the freak is going on, but hold on. What just happened? Oh, that was only one contract. Okay. I was like, how was that one filled in one? But I forgot that my 1 minute chart only has that. So we're down $600 instantaneously. But luckily I kind of got lucked out a little bit. I would have been 2 contracts, it would have been $400, but we cut that in half. We'll play, see if we can get that bounce again. Alright, got that fill. Not going to be looking for too much here, just going to see if we can get this quick clock back up, at least halfway up or something. Come on, market. Bounce, like she won't. Come on. Looks like we're getting stopped out. Alright, we're down 1,000, so let's be careful here. Of course I get stopped out here. Goes back up. Always early to the party, but with that being said, I'm down 1,000. I think I'm gonna call it here. There's no point in going back in and trying to be a. Yep, look at that. So it stops me out and then it goes back up. Let's see, my balance was at 73 this morning. Okay. I'm gonna try this one more time. Never mind. This market's moving ever so slightly slow. What was that? Is that what I aim for? that is okay. Just kind of just drawing out my trades a little bit. Oh. Let's take a look at what ES is doing. Kind of coming down again. This market want to bounce back up. And, ooh, and stopped up. Alright, I'm done. This is not playing out good, so let's be smart and just walk away while we still can. So, Friday stream, gonna end it here early. Terrible trading today. I did good on my other account, but on this one, I'm getting just destroyed. So, thank you for tuning in.